Gosh, Danielle, you're so attractive. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be doing some Halloween glam makeup, something a little different than some of the Halloween makeup looks I've been doing, because I know not everyone likes special effects makeup, as well as not everyone is big into doing crazy things for Halloween. Sometimes we just want to look glam and put on some cat ears and call it good. Well, if you would like to see how I went from this to this, then just continue watching. The first palette we're going to work with is the Blush Tribe Hasina 2 palette, and we're going in with the black shade Ash. I'm going to use this on kind of a flat packing brush. This one's a little fluffier than ones that I would typically use, and I'm placing this all over my lid. Don't worry about doing this perfectly. Also, don't worry about using the exact things that I'm using in this tutorial. You can get the same effect and the same look from other products. Don't feel obligated to use what I use. I just wanted to make that clear. But you will want kind of a black eyeshadow that's a little easier to blend, and I do find that Blush Tribe's mattes are pretty easy to blend, and I'm just kind of trying to get the shape similar because I'm going to go in with a very fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to start blending out the edges. This is just so that it's not such a harsh line right there. I am going to go in with other shades, but I do kind of want it to be a little more diffused towards the edges of my eye than it's showing here, just to make the other shades work a little bit better. I am kind of having to go back on and pack on the black a little bit just to make sure it is as dark as I want, but I'm kind of avoiding the edges of my eye because I don't want it to make it harsh there again. So it's just kind of a back and forth game with this, making sure I have it exactly how I want it. Next, I'm going to go into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm taking the shade Warm Taupe, and I'm just kind of running that along the edge. I am going to go in with another shade in a moment, but this is just helping to kind of blend that out the way I want it and to kind of diffuse it the way I want it so that it's not just black. And that way I don't have panda eyes, because that's not what we want when we do a dark black smoky eye. Then I go into the shade Realgar, which is the orange shade in the Modern Renaissance palette. I'm taking that on a more dense fluffy brush, and I'm just kind of working that over where I placed Warm Taupe, because I do kind of want it to have that Halloween vibe of orange and black. I really do like how it looks together once it's all said and done. I do kind of spend some time blending it out just a bit and making sure it's exactly how I want it. Then I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend the edges of the black and the orange together, as well as kind of diffuse the color just a bit so that it's not so harsh. Then I'm going to go in with my Pretty Vulgar The Ink Gel Eyeliner in Blacklist, and we are going to do a wing. I kind of like that it's black eyeshadow on me, and I don't typically wear a whole lot of black eyeshadow, but it kind of hides any mistakes you make with gel eyeliner. And yes, here I am pulling my eye. I know I'm gonna get premature wrinkles. Well, whatever. This is just the easiest way to do this at this point with that eye, to get it exactly how I want it. And somehow I get it onto the lower lash line. I don't know how I do these things, you guys. I have no idea. Then I'm going to just kind of work and do a wing. I'm doing a rather big wing. I don't know, something about Halloween makes me want to go a little more dramatic with my makeup than any other time of the year. I mean, I do dramatic makeup anyway, but yeah. Oh, winged eyeliner. How I wish I could just be so good at you all the time. That'd be a dream come true. Perfect wing eyeliner, always. Like those little quizzes on Facebook. Do you want perfect eyeliner or do you want perfectly lined lips eyeliner? Then I go in with the Wander Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara, and I'm just doing kind of just one coat over my lashes. I don't know. Eyelashes haven't really been my thing. Then I'm taking the Kokie Professionals Be Bright Illuminating Concealer, and I'm placing that over my blemishes because, you guys, I have breakouts all over the place. I don't know what's happening. My period's been awful. The face has been awful. It's just been a whole thing. So I'm just using that to kind of lightly cover those before I go in with foundation. And just so you guys know, I did not show the foundation, but I'm using my e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation. And I believe it's in Sand. It's a little too dark for me, but we're trying to use it up. I don't know. I didn't get a tan this summer. I didn't do any of that. So I've just been pale Danielle. I'm just going to go ahead and blend this in everywhere. I really do like the finish of the e.l.f. Flawless Finish foundation. I also like how light it is on my skin. I don't like when foundations feel super heavy, and I prefer something more along the lines of like a medium coverage. I am not a super full coverage girl. You can make this full coverage, but I don't typically make any of my foundations full coverage. I have a couple of full coverage foundations, but I save those for more like special occasions and things like that than actually wearing those day to day. They're not comfortable to me, and I'm someone who likes to basically feel like I'm wearing sweatpants on my face, meaning the makeup is comfortable. Then we're going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. And I'm using C1, which is a very light shade because I like to make sure that the high points of my face are very, very highlighted. Actually, I bought a shade way too light for me. That's what you get for buying concealer online, but we're going to make it work. You know, you live, you learn. You buy concealer online, you make mistakes, and you get the wrong shade. But it's okay. I will survive. I am surviving. I hate blending underneath my eyes. Who else does not like that stuff? I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Then we're going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. And I'm just going to powder my face. I am somebody who likes to powder my entire face. I don't like to just leave my foundation sitting. I don't know. It's been a thing I've done since I was a teenager, and I can't stop doing it. It's the one makeup habit that is forever in my life. I don't know. I was noticing some things. Also, you ever look at old pictures and you're like, oh, the flashback was real with that powder. Yeah, that's where, yeah. Then I'm going back in with Realgar, and I'm taking this on an e.l.f. crease brush. I really like how it kind of helps diffuse it and the way it makes it look when I blend this on my lower lash line. I'm kind of a fan of these e.l.f. brushes lately. I really, really, really like them a lot. Then I'm going to go in with a Wet n Wild highlighter, and this is in Diamond Glow, I believe. Diamond Lily, I lied. And I'm going to place this into my inner corner as well as on my brow bone in a moment. I'm just getting it where I wanted to. I really liked kind of how the silver played off the warmness of the orange, and then just kind of, you know, silver and black. It's a good look. Just putting it everywhere that I want it. Then I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and we're going to contour my face. I kind of do a light contour. I don't know. I have been kind of getting out of contouring lately, but I was like, I'm doing a glam makeup look. I might as well contour my face and give the full effect of how it looks when I do contour my face. But you could skip this step if you're not somebody who contours. Like, I completely get it. Contouring is not always the funnest thing to do. Then I'm going to take my Milani blush in Tea Rose. And I really like the brush that I used with this blush. It worked very nicely. Then I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild highlight in Blossom Glow. And I'm taking that on a fan brush because I was feeling fancy. And I feel like if you're going to put highlight on with a brush, you should use a fan brush. Not really. I was just trying the brush out. Don't take that. Yeah. Then I go in with the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick, and this is their Libra one. I really like this shade a lot. I like the brown shade. It very much goes with fall, and it just makes me very happy. So, yeah. I'm a Libra. Hi. Hi, my name's Danielle, and I'm a Libra. Yes, everything you've heard about Libras is true. I'm amazing. I don't know. I am struggling to put this lipstick on, you guys. Struggle bus with lipstick lately. It's just my issue. Especially bullet lipsticks. Like, I don't know what my problem is. Just a struggle. There. I finally got... Nope. Messed it up still. Gosh, Danielle. Now I'm going to spray my face. I overspray it. Don't do that. Kind of let it dry. And are you ready? Are you ready? There it is. There is the final look. You guys will have to let me know what you think down below. Kind of wish my hair was down. I think it would have looked very nice with the look. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I thought it would be fun to do something other than like a Halloween costume kind of look. I thought something a little more glam and fun, and what is better than a orange and black kind of smoky eye for the Halloween holiday. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like. Comment down below your thoughts. Did you enjoy this? Did you like the look? Let me know. As well as subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It really does mean a lot to me. And thank you guys to all of you who are new subscribers, my long-time subscribers. I am very thankful for all of you, and you guys are helping me get closer to my goal of 900 subscribers. So thank you so much for that. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Well, thank you again, and bye!